Sorry works when a mistake is made, but not when trust is broken. So in life, make mistakes, but never break a trust. Because forgiving is easy, but forgetting and trusting again is sometimes impossible. You don't have to be positive all the time. It's perfectly okay to feel sad, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, or anxious. Having feelings doesn't make you a negative person. It makes you human. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed. You deserve someone who hugs you until you forget what makes you sad. Everyone has untold stories of pain and sadness that make them love and live a little differently than you do. So stop judging. Instead, try to understand. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. To be old and wise, you must first be young and stupid. Help yourself to be happy. Don't feed your mind with negative thoughts. When you can't control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where your power is. When your children desire to talk to you and share their problems with you, stop everything and listen to them. There is nothing more important than that. Being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. Cutting someone completely off from your life is sometimes necessary for your peace. Don't feel guilty about it. Listen to people when they're angry, because that is when the real truth comes out. A time will come in your life when some people will regret why they treated you wrong. Trust me, it will definitely come. If you have at least one person genuinely supporting you, you're blessed. It's not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you were yesterday. You are in the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Keep going. You can't change how people feel about you, so don't try. Just live your life and be happy. Sometimes you have to keep your good news to yourself. Everybody is not genuinely happy for you. If you want to gain respect from others, stop telling them many things about yourself. The best way to pay for a lovely moment is to enjoy it. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.